So I'm sat in a Ferrari 488 Pista, BMW M8 competition, Porsche 911 Turbo S, Mercedes AMG A45S, Tesla Model S Performance, Lamborghini Aventador SV.
Buying a new car? Then head to CarWow and my team will help you find your next car at a fair price. CarWow, your one-stop car buying comparison site.
3, 2, 1.
Bogged.
Oh! Everyone's gone. Come on, me and the BMW.
My car died and so did Raz's.
3, 2, 1.
Decent start, but that Tesla's so quick off the line. Come on! Come on, all right.
Bloody formatting system failing again.
Ah, he's quick. Prick.
Unfortunately, the GT
Four-doors formatting system died yet again.
3,
Bye-bye.
1.
Oh, bogged down a bit and he's gone. See, my reaction time's better than yours, Matt, but your car's quicker.
And the Porsche doing well, and the M8. Got him now. Oh, this is quick, man.
Look.
The M8's doing well as well. This R8 wins the day, though.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, the launch on this is brutal. The RS3 got off the line well as well. Drop the Golf and the BMW. And this is increasing its lead against that Audi. Come on, you're going to beat the Golf. Woohoo, come on. This thing is a winner.
3, 2, 1.
Great off the line. But damn, turbo power kills me. I love the fact that the old C63 is beating the new one. Oh my gosh. Well, that was interesting. Oh, neck and neck with the Ferrari. And this just goes. GTR's doing all right. This thing is just nuts. This M8 is destroying a Ferrari. And a GTR.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, that was a brilliant start. Come on, Porsche. That Stelvio got a bad start, but it's coming now. Can I beat it to the line? Come on, Porsche, it's so close. Come on, Porsche! Come on, Porsche! Come on! I'm going to give the Alpha another chance. I'm still confident in this Porsche. Let's see.
3, 2, 1.
Brilliant again. Boom. Ooh, it's a bit tighter this time. It's
coming again. He's coming in. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Come on. Oh! Oh, come on. That Lambo's off. Four-wheel drive is for the win. Oh, this is squirrely. Now I'm catching. Now, what the hell is going on there? What happened there? Lamborghini off the line first, but then what happened, Phil? What happened?
I hit the pothole on the ground and let off my foot.
Come on. Got my power down that time. Here we go. Got a Pista. Come on, you beaut. What the piggin' hell? No way! Say what you like about McLarens. They are fast. Oh, what a start. This thing's nuts off the line. That McLaren is dead. It ain't gonna gather me back now. Piece of piss. Come and have another go at it, come on.
3, 2, 1.
Dropped him. Every single time. It's close though. It's very close.
3, 2, 1.
It's close off the line. I maybe could have done a slightly better job, but it ain't gonna count. It ain't gonna count. Damn! Oh! Let's run it again.
3, 2, 1.
I beat him off the line this time. Can he come past me? Come on, Tesla! Come on! Come on! No way! No way. That's it. Oh, he bogged. Run him off. This is nuts. That was a one-horse race. I mean, he couldn't get off the line because of his traction. I've got to give him another shot at that. Oh, it's off the line good. Oh, it's just left for dead. This thing's nuts. That is nuts.
3, 2, 1.
No, he didn't jump the start. He just didn't even bother to start.
Sitting there too long. Come back, Matt. We got a race to do.
Am I pointing straight, Lewis? I don't seem like I'm pointing straight.
Lewis, am I pointing straight? You need to go left a little bit, Matt. You're probably pointing a little bit right.
I just pressed the wrong button. Yeah, see off.
3,
Bad reaction time.
Bloody hell! I'm destroyed. This thing's mental.
Yeah, I missed the start, mate. Reaction time was dead. Matt, can we do that again?
3,
That's better.
Oh, come on! He did beat me off the line, but no!
It's quicker than me.
SVJ! Woo!
3, 2, 1.
Come on, don't spin now. Oh, it's close. Come on, Honda. Come on. I'm gaining. Oh, not quite.
3, 2, 1.
Oof, I was off the line quick then.
You jumped that start.
I hope I didn't jump it.
Mate, you jumped.
This thing, monsters.
Come on.
Is that Porsche coming back? No, and neither's the Audi. Victory.
Looked like you jumped the start there, mate.
3, 2, 1.
Got him again.
Oh my God. Launch died. Launch died. Launch died just as the hands come down.
Let's go again.
3, 2, 1.
This thing just shoots off the line.
Wow, that car's quick.
Yaris did a better job that time. He ain't gonna do it. Smug git. We're going to do it one more time, but
Before we do, I need you to just say one thing.
it's Matt. Your reaction time is better than mine.
How can I say that when the car failed?
I didn't fail. The launch failed. Don't blame.
Is he saying it? I hope he's saying it.
Don't bother waiting for it, you're not getting it.
I'm just going to pretend that he is.
All I know is I was quicker than the Yaris Q8.
Living a dream.